So you decide you want to start a Plastisol heat transfer business, but you have no idea what equipment or where to start? Don't worry, your boy Flex got you. I got 5 pieces of equipment that you need to start your Plastisol heat transfer business right now. Coming up.
It's that super no Shima flow. Yeah. It's that.
Welcome back to the Flex McKenzie channel. Yeah. And I'm your boy Flex McKenzie. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about 5 pieces of equipment that you need to start your Plastisol heat transfer business. Let's roll into the video. Okay, so the first one you need, obviously, is a heat press, right? Now, there's different kind of heat press. You got the real cheap heat press, you got the one in the middle heat press, and then you got the real expensive heat press. Now, the real cheap heat press, you get those from Amazon, you pay like $100, $200. You don't want those. Scratch those off your list. Why? Most of those machines are from China, and if the machine breaks, if you need a parts for it, where you gonna get the parts from it? What are you gonna do, call up Amazon? And I tell you what, you'll be lucky if Amazon answer, and if they do answer, they're gonna be like, you should have known better not to buy it from Amazon. That's what they're gonna tell you. So you don't want those cheap Amazon heat press. Sometimes, first of all, they're not accurate. You know, sometimes they stop working in a while. Some people have them for a long time and they work, but I don't know how it works. But it will not give you the quality that you need to make sure your shirts are pressed. So scratch that off your list. Now you have the middle, you have the one in the middle, okay? Those, you could get them like from Heat Press Nation or Pro World. Those are your entry level, which is really good, it's good, you know. But if you want to get in the game, I say go to a little expensive one. And my choice, which I think is one of the best heat press, is the Handheld. I think that is one of the best heat press out there, hands down. One of the best. First, whenever you're looking for a heat press, you always want to make sure they have 3 things. Okay, so I'm this close to you. So if you're watching this video and it bring any value to you, please don't forget to hit that like or subscribe button. Let's get back to the video. Time, temperature, and pressure. If your machine doesn't have those 3 things, it's useless. You don't want that. It must have those 3 things. That's what you need in our heat press. Now, so my choice is for you, if you really want to get into the business, get something good, because as far as I know, that was my first machine and I still have it, but in another video I gotta explain why I can't use it. I still got it, but I cannot use my Handheld. I explained in another video. This is not the video for it, but that is the best machine to go for. One of the best machines that you could go for right now, the Handheld. And it will read accurately and it will last you a long time. And if you need customer service, at least you know where to get your customer service. Now, let's move on to number 2. So for number 2, you need a temperature gun. What is a temperature gun? A temperature gun will give you the correct reading on your plant. I don't care what it is, but you need your temperature gun. Even if you're a screen printer, you should always have a temperature gun to give you the correct reading so you know if your heat press is working. You know, because sometimes the temperature may be high, sometimes it may be low. So you gotta make sure you know what temperature your heat press is pushing out. And that is the reason why you need it. Let's move on to number 3. Number 3, you need Teflon Sheet. Why? Because you want to protect your garment. You want to protect your plat. Teflon Sheet will protect your garment. That's it. I'm not going to tell you no more. It will protect your garment. So you must have Teflon Sheet. Get it. Don't listen to anybody else tell you not to get Teflon. Get that bad boy and keep it. Let's roll into number 4. You need T-shirt. Can't start a business, a t-shirt business without t-shirt. So here is it. Now one, what you could do is you could either get yourself a wholesale license, so when you order shirt from wholesale company, it's cheap. Two, you could order from companies where the price would be a little bit higher or a lot higher that you're going to be paying for t-shirts, because they have them if you don't have a wholesale license. If you have one of those, your t-shirt will be a lot cheaper than if you don't have one. So it's all up to you what your choice is. Or you could go to Michael's. Sometimes Michael's have them on sale for like $2, which is a great deal, and it's Gildan brand. Gildan 5000, baby, and I love them. Anyway, let's move into number 5, the final number 5. So the last and final one, you need transfer. You need Plastisol transfer. What is Plastisol transfer? Plastisol transfer is the same thing as screen printing. I explain that to you. It may not sound well. Let me explain. What they do is they use a special paper and they screen print the ink onto that special paper, and then they go through this process. So all they have to do is ship it out to you. You put it, lay it on top of your t-shirt, heat press the bad boy to whatever temperature they tell you to, and peel it off, and the image will be on your shirt. Got it? Let me tell you again. So you will order it from a company, right? You upload your image to the company, and now since you're just starting out, the company that I tested out before called F&M Expression, I believe. I'll put a link right here. You see it? Yeah. I think that they are one of the best company for you to start off with. You know, it's 15 cents per transfer, and it's about $20 for the setup fee, which is great. Hands down, that's a great deal. So check out the video how I put their transfer. I put it on a shirt and I do it wash after wash after wash, and it still hold up. Now I also use Transfer Express. Transfer Express, I like it. One is because you could design, they have a program where you could design on their website. You go there and you do your design, and then all you got to do is just add it to cart, and then they get it filled within like 2-3 days. I usually wait like 2 days, and then they ship it out to you. But here's the thing with Transfer Express, they are very expensive, but they're expensive, but the work is magnificent. It's great quality work, and the service is fast, but they are very expensive. So I don't recommend that really for you since you're starting out. Now, the next company is called Innsprint Company. Now, I haven't tried Innsprint Company before, but I'm planning to try that company and see how well Innsprint Company transfer will hold up in the wash. And also there's also Top Transfer. I hear a lot about Top Transfer too. I haven't tried it, but I'm planning to try it too and see how well it will hold up in the wash. But for now, for you to start, you should try F&M Expression. They are very cheap, 15 cents. You cannot beat that, and it held up after wash after wash. Okay, now recap. No, I'm not gonna go through all that again. If you want to recap, watch the video again. Okay, so that's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching. If you're new here, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And please leave a comment down below, because you know how it works. YouTube work, you leave a comment, you like, and that's the way, you know, my video get ranked up there, so I could keep making videos for you. Anyway, guess what? I'm gonna catch you on my next video. For now, this is your boy Flex, and I'm out.